Everyone, this is in continuation to various problems what we are doing on simple interest. This is question number 9. An investor puts rupees 5,000 in a savings account that pays 10% simple interest at the end of each year. Compare how much the investor would have after 6 years if the money was invested for 6 years. And then second question is invested for 3 years and then immediately reinvested for further 3 years. So let us proceed with our solution. Let me first do the first part. Invested for 3 years, that means N is 6 years. Investor puts rupees 5,000, that means the initial investment is 5,000. That pays 10% simple interest at the end of each year. I is 10%, which is 0.1. Now, how much the investor would have? That means we are supposed to find out the final amount, which is C times 1 plus NI. C is 5,000. 1 plus 6 times 0.1. Let us calculate that. 6 into 0.1 plus 1, which we get 1.6 into 5,000. We get 8,000. That is the final amount at the end of 6 years. Then the second part is invested for 3 years initially. So I will say N1 is 3 years. Capital is same. Initial principal is same, 5,000. Interest rate is also 0.1. First, let us calculate this amount in the beginning, that is at the end of 3 years, which we will call it as A1 is C times 1 plus NI, which is 5,000 times 1 plus 3 times 0.1, which will get, that is 1.3 into 5,000. So at the end of 3 years, the amount will be 6,500. Now, this getting reinvested, this amount is getting reinvested. That means since this is to be reinvested, now our C will become 6,500. So our final amount, I'll call it as A2, will be 6,500 times 1 plus, this will be reinvested for another 3 years, 3 into 0.1. So that we get 1.3. 1.3 into 6,500, we get rupees 8,450. The comparison, if you do, mainly here you get for that 3 years, in the beginning amount also you get, the interest also you are getting an interest here. That is the major difference between the first one and second one, right? In case if you find the contents of this video to be useful to you, I request you to please like it, share it with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.